Making Reservations, a step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an essential skill that will help you navigate various situations where English is used. Making reservations. Whether it's booking a table at a restaurant, securing a spot in a hotel, or planning ahead for a special event, knowing how to make reservations confidently is key. Let's break down everything you need to know to do this effectively. Reservations are essentially pre-arranged agreements between you and a service provider, such as a restaurant, hotel, or airline, to hold a service at a specific time and date for you. Making a reservation ensures that you have a guaranteed spot or service when you need it. This is particularly important for services that are in high demand, have limited availability, or when planning is crucial to ensure a smooth experience. Making reservations can save you time and hassle, ensuring that your plans go smoothly without the need to wait in line or face the possibility of not getting a service because it's fully booked. It's a sign of being proactive and organized, and in many cultures, it's considered a necessary part of planning outings or travel. 1. Decide on the details. Before making a reservation, know the date, time, and number of people involved. For travel, have your preferred dates, destinations, and flexibility ready. 2. Choose your medium. Reservations can be made over the phone, online through websites or apps, or in person. Online reservations are increasingly popular due to their convenience and the ability to see availability in real time. 3. Provide necessary information. When making a reservation, be ready to provide your name, contact information, any preferences, e.g., seating preferences at a restaurant, and sometimes payment information to secure your spot. 4. Confirmation. Always ask for a confirmation of your reservation. This could be a confirmation number, an email, or a text message that proves your reservation is secured. 5. Cancellation policy. Be aware of the cancellation policy in case your plans change. Knowing how to cancel or modify a reservation is just as important as making one. Be polite. Whether you're speaking to someone directly or writing a request, politeness goes a long way. Be clear. Clearly state the purpose of your call or message. For example, I'd like to make a reservation for 2 people at your restaurant on June 15th at 7 p.m. Confirm details. Repeat back the details of your reservation as confirmed by the service provider to ensure everything is correct. Ask questions. If you have any special requests or needs, don't hesitate to ask. It's better to clarify beforehand than be disappointed later. We hope this guide empowers you to make reservations confidently and navigate your plans with ease. Remember, making reservations is not just about securing a service, it's about ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience for yourself and others involved. Happy planning, and see you in our next video.